In this video, I'll walk you through the process of clearing all chats in DeepSeek, step by step. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Clearing all chats on DeepSeek can help maintain privacy by removing sensitive conversations. It also frees up space, ensuring a fresh start without previous clutter. To start, open the DeepSeek application on the device you're currently using. Once the app loads, you'll be greeted by the main interface, which should look similar to the one displayed on your screen. In order to access your previous chat history, locate the horizontal parallel bar at the top left corner of the screen. By clicking on this bar, a left-hand side panel will slide open, revealing a list of all your past conversations within the app. If you'd like to clear your chat history, the process is simple. Look towards the bottom of the left-hand panel, where you'll find your name displayed. Click on your name, and a new set of options will appear. Among these options, you will see one labeled Delete All Chats. Clicking this will prompt the app to ask for your confirmation before proceeding. A confirmation box will appear, and you'll need to select the Confirm Deletion button in order to complete the action. Once you confirm the deletion, all of your previous chat histories will be removed. This is a simple and effective way to manage and delete your chat history within the DeepSeek app. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.